Investing your money wisely is the key to achieving your financial goals. And one investment option that has gained immense popularity over the years is Systematic Investment Plan or SIP. In 2016, the SIP asset under management was just rupees 43,921 crores. Fast forward to FY 2022-23 and that number has grown to a staggering rupees 1,55,972 crores. But what makes SIP so popular? It's the power of regular investing, which compounds over time to create a substantial corpus. For example, let's look at the returns of a monthly SIP of rupees 10,000 started in 2000 in Nifty 50 TR Index. Despite market crashes, scams, economic downturns and a global pandemic, the SIP continued to grow steadily over long term. In 2023, the value of the SIP is rupees 1 crore 80 lakhs 46,920 against the total investment of rupees 27 lakh 60,000. It's no wonder that Indian investors have realized the importance of investing through SIPs. At Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Har Ghar SIP is our belief and initiative to empower every Indian to achieve all their dreams, no matter how big or small they are. So, take the first step towards your dreams by investing through an SIP.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.